Hello, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am here bringing Disney home to you. And today, my two favorite things have come to my door. I've signed for them and I've waited for you to open them. So let's see what my Gucci Mickey Mouse phone case looks like. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. So I got this beautiful box. And inside, Gucci. And then we have, I'm not gonna look at the receipt. I don't really remember how much it costs, so we'll put that down. And, okay, you guys, look at this bag. Oh my goodness, I'm keeping this bag. Love this bag. Hi, Mickey, I'll be there to see you soon. Beautifully packaged. And let's open it up. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it gets better and better and better. Oh, turn it around. Gucci, Gucci, Mickey all around. Look at that on the sides, on the bottom. Love, love, love. Can't wait to get it on my iPhone X. All right, let's open it up. Like I said, I wanted you to see the beautiful wrapping, so I have not opened it myself yet. Let's see. So let's scoot this down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, put it in the bag for safekeeping. Oh, Disney and Gucci, what a nice pair. Love that. Can't wait to take my new phone case to the park when we open next month. I'll be there. Oh my goodness, look here. Okay, y'all, my heart is seriously beating so fast. Look at that. My Gucci card. Oh, look. So pretty, so Mickey. Yay, I love it. So nice. All right. Even cuter than what I thought. Mickey, are you ready to go to the parks with me soon and on a cruise? I think that'll be great. Here you go. Now let's put it on my phone. All right, I've got my iPhone 10 here and my new Gucci Mickey Mouse case. Let's put it on. By the way, the case is made in Italy. It's pretty thin, so if I drop it, I might be in trouble. But it is just gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. Look at that. All right, I'm set and ready to get to the parks, you guys. And remember, if you like what you see, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow all of my Disney travels. I will be up and going again once Disney World opens in July, and I've got a cruise booked and an Adventures by Disney and to Egypt, so hopefully those will happen too. And it's so good to see you again, and I look forward to planning your next Disney vacation. See you real soon.